Imagine a biological wrecking ball made of solid bone. Meet the Ankylosaurus, the living armored tank of the prehistoric world. Its back is covered in an impenetrable fortress of bony plates called osteoderms. But its most lethal weapon is that heavy club capable of delivering a bone-crushing strike. Even a T-Rex thinks twice before attacking this defensive powerhouse. One swing is all it takes to shatter the legs of the world's greatest predators. Nature's ultimate defense. Subscribe for more prehistoric power.